Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry avatar in Roblox. This will be an easy guide on how to do them, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is before we go ahead and shut down the Roblox entirely, go to your settings right over here. Make sure that the graphics settings is actually on manual right over here, and the quality of the slider is up to the highest. Now once we got that, what we'd like to do is exit out Roblox entirely and make sure that Roblox is done entirely. Go ahead and right click on your task bar, click on task manager, and scroll down until you see any, or if you do find any Roblox related tasks, just go ahead and right click and task right over here. Once Roblox is entirely done, go ahead and right click on your Roblox player, click on properties, navigate to compatibility right over here, and change high DPI settings, as you can see right over here. Over here, we need to go ahead and override high DPI scaling behavior. Just go ahead and take that in. As you can see. And make sure to select application. Once done, go ahead and click OK, apply, and then OK, and relaunch your Roblox, and your Roblox should be fixed. That is basically all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if it fixed your game, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.